Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our beloved lecturer T.S. Tawi bin Yaakob. We are from Group 7 of Section 1 and today we would like to present our discussion of group project which is the collapse of HYATT Regency SKYWALK. Our group consists of 6 members, which is Alma, Fazila, Hasnita, Shamila, Sakina, and also Shazwani. Hi, my name is Fazila binti Abdulgani and my meeting number is AP210485. Next, I will present about the introduction of Hyatt Regency Hotel Skywalk. Here, Regency SKYWALK is a hotel building that located in Kansas City and started construction in May 1978. This hotel was officially and welcome to the public in July 1918. However, after almost a year operating, here Regency Hotel SKYWALK suffered a collapse on 17 July 1981. On the day of the incident, here Regency Hotel was holding a tea dance party and there were many people gathered to enjoy the tea dance. The incident that occurred when connection supporting the ceiling roots holding up the second and fourth floor walkways across the atrium fell. Both walkways fell onto the crowded first floor atrium where many partygoers were dancing and standing. In this tragedy, 116 people were killed while 216 people were injured. Then, rescue team, which consists of firefighters, doctor, arrived at the Hyatt Regency Hotel and began 14-hour rescue operation. They found that 16-ton pile of steel, concrete, and glass encasing the victims. After the incident, the investigators started investigating and found that design changes, poor communication, poor or no calculation in some cases, and also general negligence contributed to the collapse.
Next, I will present and explain about 3 issues related to the project management. The first one is about lack of management in construction aspect, which is the superiors good unprofessional engineering and project manager in development project. Therefore, this will cause poor quality and systematic design in Hyatt Regency Skywalk Hotel building or the structure. The second one is about unrealistic deadlines and planning fallacies. These issues are more focused on unrealistic deadlines that related with what the decision taken are not systematic and effective to complete the project more effectively. So, by lack of estimation and pressure from the leadership to make group project go faster, the outcome or the quality of the project is poor and unsatisfactory. Hence, the third one is about insufficient risk management. Poor risk management has ability to several impact project success due to poor development planning such as lack of identifying, assessing, and controlling of workplace safety.
Next, lack of accountability. The lack of accountability in group member will destroy the entire project. So we need to deal with it. An effective project manager by assigning responsibility to team member and directing the team towards a common goal to successfully complete the project. In addition, having project tools that allow responsibility to be assigned and tracked is key to fostering accountability. Additionally, regular check-in within the team also fosters accountability. And the last one is lack of clear goal success criteria. Clarity is one of the most important requirements for producing perfect work. It is also important for project manager to come up with way to measure project progress by providing project milestones. In addition to helping the enterprise move forward, Having clear objective will also help project manager defend their vision in front of upper management. And popular approach, the goal setting such as SMART and clear can help project manager come up with a set of effective goals from the start of the project. This can help overcome project management hurdles.
There are various causes of the SKYWALK failure, which is in this case refers to the HYATT Regency Hotel in Kansas City, Missouri. Investigators discovered that modification to the walkway steel hanger roads design were what caused it to collapse. The second floor walkway hung directly beneath the fourth floor walkway from a series of the steel hanger rods. Moreover, the platform for the fourth floor walkway was supported by 3 cross beams that were suspended from steel rod and were fastened with nuts. This caused only 60% of the minimum load allowed by Kansas City building walkways. Other than that, the failure of the HYATT Regency Hotel in Kansas City, Missouri is due to the management factor, which is lack of communication. The original design by Jack D. Gillum and Associates did utilize an extra long steel tie rod loaded with nuts to connect the walkway on the second and the fourth floor. The steel tie rod, however, was deemed to be difficult to install by the construction units. The design unit believed that the construction unit had tested and approved this drawing accordance with the conventions, thus it had stamped an approval seal. Thus, this design modification resulted in a significant change in force, and the issue gets worse when there is a lack of communication between the design unit and the construction units.
The other reason why SKYWALK failed is caused by the failure of connection supporting the fourth floor walkway ceiling roads. This walkway collided with the second story walkway right underneath it, which then plummeted to the lobby level. During the construction, an apparent design defect was found. 6 steel hanger rods were to be stretched directly from the second floor walkway to the ceiling to provide support in the original design. However, the steel fabrication contractor objected to this design since it called for screw threading rods to hold the walkway on the fourth story in place. The second floor walkway support was attached to the fourth floor walkway since the building design was eventually implemented. The fourth floor walkway's higher hanger rods had to support twice as much weight, which put them under unnecessary pressure. Even though the design alteration appeared to be slight, it was sufficient to seriously threaten the building's safety. Due to modifications made to the tie rod designs, the rods carried more weight than they were intended to. The last one is the dramatic collapse of the atrium roof when connection failed on the northern end of the building. One of the hotel's unique features was its multi-story atrium lobby, which was crossed by elevated walkways hanging from the ceiling. On October 14, 1979, which is more than a year before the walkways collapsed, more than 2,700 square feet of the atrium roof fell while the hotel was still being built as a result of the bad roof connections at the northern end of the atrium. Global Consulting Engineering (GCE) claimed that during the construction phase, they requested on-site project representation on 3 separate occasions. However, the owner, Crown Center Redevelopment Corporation, did not hit their request, as doing so would have added to cost.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Shazwani Izzati binti Muhammad Azam. My metric number is AP210287. So today I would like to continue the presentation with the conclusion of the collapse of the HYATT Regency SKYWALK. The HYATT Regency SKYWALK collapse exemplifies the significance of precision and detail in engineering, design and shop drawing, especially when it comes to modifications. The collapse of HYATT Regency disaster also highlights the importance of proper project management in construction projects. Next is the unprofessional and inexperienced engineers and project managers have contributed to poor quality and systematic design, resulting in potential loss of licenses. Last but not least, to ensure public safety, all parties involved should have sufficient responsibilities and skills to implement a systematic and quality development project. That's all from me. Thank you.